Hello. How's everybody doing? How are you guys? By the way, the emotes will work on this screen too. So, I don't know. Did you break it? I have no idea. What did you do? What's going on? What's going on, Sauce? I got a haircut yesterday and I dyed it a little bit. Looks pretty good, huh? I got my new shirt. You can buy this in the shop. I don't know. Did it break? Let's see. No, it didn't break. Yo, Jables. So I've been quite busy. Yeah, boy takes 2 weeks off of work where he does coding every day of his life. Well, I don't really code now, but I manage everyone who codes, and I have to look at all the code, and it's exhausting on my brain. But I had 2 weeks off. I go back to work on Monday, and so this week I've been coding up a storm, which I did the stickers. There's some new alerts hidden amongst everything. I actually didn't add one. I need to do that. But I added the sticker feature, so you can, any emotes on non-gameplay screens will show up as stickers. They kind of pop up, and then they shimmy and shake and fall off like stickers, you know what I mean? Which is kind of fun. And there's a new channel point redemption as well that I haven't really tested, but I can test it right now. Which should be this. If I get angry, I didn't give it a thing, but we can do this. So that will work, and I like it how it changes the lights to red and then changes them back when it's done, which is really fun. That's my favorite. My shoulder is so messed up. That will sure calm you down. Yeah, right. It's gonna. Well, what I'm hoping, Jables, is that it makes me feel silly. You know what I mean? Yo, scammer, what's going on? Don't scam me. I didn't do it. Don't scam me. But I'm hoping it like makes me feel stupid. You know what I mean? Like, I hope it makes me feel stupid, and then I'm like, oh, I'm silly. I need to calm my ass down. So anyway, this stream is sponsored by Motrin. You know, I will take we ordered McDonald's for breakfast, so I'm gonna eat that. Yo,
These so-called doctors all say I should kick it, but they don't know nothing, man. They can all kiss it. There's a pep in my step and a can in my hand. Only doctor I trust is the peppermint. Those 23 flavors are all a guy needs. That sweet Dr. Pepper brings a man to his knees. I'm thirsty and hurting for
if you don't like Dr. Pepper, you kiss my ass.
Nectar, I'm a Dr. Pepper man.
I love it so much, dude. Oh, but anyway, so I was busy. So I did all of this stream stuff. You know, that's how you do stream stuff. That's the international symbol for stream stuff. And then everyone here, if you don't play Super Mario World ROM hacks, you will not understand any of this. But as you know, the SMW Central has currently recategorized everything by different difficulty settings. So I'm one of those people who like to download a million apps or a million hacks and organize them by difficulty. And because that happened, all of my organization is broken. So I created a brand new application last night that anyone can run that will automatically download, unzip, patch, rename, like normalize, finalize, and have you a ready to go list of all SMW hacks in a wonderful organized fashion by output folder you pick, by Kaizo or standard or whatever the type, and then by difficulty. I even updated the difficulty folders to be renamed from like newcomer to 01 newcomer, so they're actually in order. And all of that works so far. It's only for Windows right now, but my wife has a Mac, and it's written in Python. So I will install VS Code and Python on her Mac, and then compile the code on her Mac so I can also release a Mac version, because I feel like that's always missing from everywhere. Like even the ROM hack manager, I think, doesn't work for people with Mac, right? I'm not sure if it does. I don't know. I don't have a Mac. So, yo, Veza, welcome in. My Indonesian. I'm not Indonesian, but I assume you are. But that's awesome. I'm American, though I don't, you know, there's a shit show over here, man. It's, you know, how do you like T Kinter? It's okay. So Link, I kind of used AI for like 98% of it because I don't really know Python very much. I do a lot of .NET stuff. So I was like, you know, what can I do? Let's push the limits of this thing and see what happens. So clearly, like I was telling a coworker friend of mine last night, I was like, dude, I had to like reel in AI so much because it kept doing all of the stuff that like, it was like, oh, let's map A to B and then B to A and then use hack name. And I was like, but you have hack name from the very beginning. Why are you mapping a value from A to B to get B to A to get hack name when you already have it? And it was like, good catch. So it's probably overkill, right? But you know what? I needed it to replace my shit, and it works. So it doesn't have to be too pretty, you know what I mean? But I tried to add dark mode, and it broke everything because apparently when you use dark mode, the UI can't use like the system. What's it called? Like the system themed buttons and things. So it was tough. You know what I mean? Like that's the one thing that I didn't really like. I had to like kind of hold AI's hand a lot and fix a lot of the dumb shit. So, but other than that, that was the first time, Link, I've ever worked with Python or any kind of interface. You have to use GTK3 at work and you fucking hate it. So is that different? I guess that's a different library to do basically like a user interface. I'm guessing with Python. It's but I didn't mind it. I mean, I asked what I did before I started. I actually like logged into Copilot and I was like, hey, this is what I want to build. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do, all of this stuff. And I was like, what like application language, what libraries, what like framework, what code stack, what should I use to get this done the easiest and the best way? You know, and I was like, this is what I want to do. This is the features I want to support. This is where I want to go with it. And it suggested to use Python and to use the, what is it, Kinter, I guess is how you say it. But it suggested to use all of that. So I said, sure, because I don't know anything about Python very much. I used it just a little bit. But it was fun. I mean, it only took like 3-4 hours for me to tinker with it, you know, a lot and to get it working. Yeah, it's similar to Qt. I got you. It was cool. I don't like that I tried to make it dark mode. And it looked like hell, so I was really sad about that. I wanted to give it dark mode, but in order to do that, it would take way too much work. But you know, it is what it is. Yo, Scammer, what do? I'm basically a director of an integrations team. I don't really do much coding anymore, but I make sure that like all of the integrations and the logic and the team is doing what they need to do. I'm good at that, like finding bugs and holes in processes and utilize different frameworks and whatnot. So I don't really do the coding as much anymore. But yeah, I lead a team of 3 developers, 2 QA, and a cloud engineer. It's a wonderful job. I love it. I have a lot of fun. But I'm always like, after work, I'm always like, dude, I don't want to do any of this shit anymore. And then after that, having 2 weeks off, I kind of got the coding bug. Elle says, welcome in. Sorry, guys, I'm talking my mouth off. Let's see. I wonder how AI does right. I think it's okay. You just got to train it. It takes a lot of work. It does everything wrong. Ice-T, good morning. Last it didn't support. Yeah, so see, all I have to do is load Visual Studio Code on my wife's computer and install Python, and then, just download the GitHub repository, just clone it, and then I can build it on her Mac OS to create a release for Mac. You just have to build it on an operating system that, you can use the framework and whatnot for. So I told her, I said, hey, if you're okay with that, I can do that. Then I'll be able to release it with Mac as well. Again, it doesn't offer like single downloads, and I could show you guys. I mean, it's nothing fancy. Give me a second to pull shit up, because I can show you what I did. It's really cool. But again, I like used AI for 90% of it, and I had to fix 90% of it. The hair looks great. Hell yeah, DK. How are you, man? Happy? Oh yeah, it's 4th of July. Everyone take care of your hands, dude. Don't blow your hands apart. Whoa, look at that, look at the damn depth perception. That makes my eyeballs weird. Does that make your eyeballs weird? How crazy is that? Does it look like I'm grabbing you? Holy shit. Ugh, that made my head weird. I'm gonna do this. That was weird. All right, game, and then this. Oh, fuck. What side is it? This side. I make it? Okay, cool. I never put that thing in the right spot. So this is my VS project. And if I just debug it and run it, I'll show you. This is the app. So this is it, and I'll put it in the center and let you guys see it. So this is the cool app that I made. It basically is the SMW Central Downloader and Patcher, and you could select all or none of the new difficulties or just one. It's easy just to pick Grandmaster. And then like you have your flips path, so like I can browse and go to desktop, and like if I don't have anything here, but I need to find it and get all of that. I used it this morning and liked it. Yeah, so you just pick your flips path base ROM output folder, and you want to make sure, and then you have, you can pick standard, Kaizo, all of these, and then any of these you want, and you just click download and patch. And what's really neat about it is it will download everything. It will actually paginate through the website. Basically, it creates like a JSON list, and it will go through and it will scope the website. And if it sees the number 50, because the filter is set to 50, it knows that there's additional pages. Thanks for the SA1 filter. Super user for us hacked. Super NT. No, like it's cool. I mean, everything that's on SMW Central, I kind of want to add here, but I didn't want to do like author, and I didn't want to do name, but I could. But then you're kind of blindly downloading stuff, but it may be better. It may be helpful to have that. So again, this is like 3-4 hours into it. And so what I want to do here is I want to let me get the clean versions on my desktop so we can do some fun here. Let's see. I'll do SMW Central, downloader. I'll just do that just so I can put everything in here. And I'll just, let me create the folders. ROM hacks. I want to show you guys everything. It's really cool. I just broke something. ROM hacks. And then let me get like create new. It's going to show up. Let me download my clean ROM and all of that shit. Not download, but steal it from it's under resources, right? And then let me get flips wherever I put it. I don't know where I put flips, but thank you. I spelled it, you guys don't see it, but I spelled it as flips. All right, so here, let me show you. I created just a folder here, has flips in it. And then I have the clean ROM, and then I have ROM hacks. So this is empty. So what you want to do here is you want to pick your flips path. So I'll go to desktop, go here, flips exe. Boom, that's good. That's kind of made it do weird shit, but you can resize it. I'll need to fix that, I guess. You know, this is why we test. And then base ROM, same thing, clean. And then the output folder will be ROM hacks here, select. So what's good, let me double check messages too. What's going on? I cannot play Roblox. My son plays Roblox. And that is one hell of a username. Let's see. Also thoughts and prayers for your dog, about to go through the worst day of the year. Yeah, my dog, the good news is my dog, Fox, she doesn't get too scared of fireworks. Not like my older dogs. You know what I mean? Oh, a rating would be cool. Like only get 4 stars. Yeah, that would be kind of cool too. I could probably add that. Tried to make a JSON file with ChatGPT, never got it working. Really? How does Fox do? She's okay. She kind of like gets a little weird. But anyway, yeah, flips. Okay, so you have this, and I'm just gonna pick Grandmaster and for Kaizo. And so what you just hit there, hopefully this works. This would be fun if it didn't. But download and patch, and look. See, oh, it's saying it's already processed. So that's a good thing that you guys don't know. Is that let me exit the debug. If I go here, it creates a process JSON of everything that you downloaded, so that you can run this multiple times and it won't download something that is already downloaded. So if I get rid of this, and then let me rebuild it. And then, but what's good is because I save these setups to the config file, that you never have to enter them in again. Which is nice. I definitely need to make this like be like an auto with, which, I mean, come on, I can do that. But you never have to enter these things in twice, which is nice. So if I pick this now and download it, it will, you know, it's got less than 50, so it's downloading them. See, so what it's doing right now is it's downloading them, unzipping them, finding the BPS file, using flips, then looking up taking the hack name from SMW Central, renaming it to that. And then if you go to my folder here, now under ROM hacks, I have a Kaizo folder, and it's 07 Grandmaster, and then everything is organized absolutely perfectly, and it's patched. And if I do, say, standard, and I get newcomer for I forgot how many newcomers there are. I think there's a lot. But if I do, let's see, these two, how many there are. There's one hack. So now see what it did is it found the standard, and it was master. So if you go to ROM hacks, you now have a standard folder that has 06 master, and it's nice and neat and organized. So, you know, it's really cool. And again, if I want to do this again, it will tell me I already processed it. So we'll just skip it. So what's really nice is you could technically run this for everything Kaizo. It will take like probably 15, 20 minutes to go through, you know, 2,000 hacks, download them, log them, you know, get them on your computer. And then in the future, every week, you could rerun this and it will only download the newer hacks if you wanted to have all of them. But again, I built this from the perspective of like, what's it called? Build it from the perspective of recategorizing and organizing my current inventory, because I like to organize it by difficulty. And because of the difficulty changes, my entire library is now messed up. So, you know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It works, which is surprising. That's the biggest thing. But again, the code is probably spaghetti. But you know what? It does work. You know, and everything looks good. And also when I download it, like if you notice, mod cape, a precision cape level is all lowercase on SMW Central, and I hated it. So I also added some capitalization to everything, so that when I get the name from SMW Central, it does capitalize the first letter of every word. I did Kaizo Skilled Advanced Expert, and it took like 10 minutes. And yeah, but I mean, but it works, right, Leet? And it doesn't lock the interface. It doesn't bog your computer down. I don't know if something like this could potentially DDoS SMW Central. I would assume if we had like 400 people using this at once, downloading everything possible, maybe. Maybe. Now I'm gonna eat on stream. But I don't know. I don't know if that's possible. I did think about it. Yeah, it could. But I don't know. Like maybe I can talk to Amper about it. See if there's something I can I can do that they would recommend. Like, you know, I can also like give people a limit. You know what I mean? Like that, you know, you can only get X amount, or I can add a delay, like a wait delay or something, where like, you know, it's not trying to do everything as fast as it possibly can. Oh, there's a lot of options. Yeah, that's what I also thought, Lee. Because it's not doing anything crazy. It's just downloading very small files. And it's also not doing them asynchronously, I don't think. I think it's doing them, you know, sequentially. So. I don't know. Actually, I think it did do threads. I just don't know how many threads it's opening. But the log is cool, right? It even tells you like everything that's happening as you're doing it. So you're not like confused by anything. Oh, that was my little contribution. I had a lot of fun doing this. It is pretty cool. But we like there's a lot of like features, like I can add rating. Sauce, I didn't code any of this. I used AI. I just asked the right questions. Now, from years of coding, I know questions to ask, right? So that there's that, but it's kind of wild how well this worked. I've never done this before. I've never even used Python before, really. I've used it a little bit, but nothing like this. And again, if you look at the source code in the Git repository, I guarantee you half of it's fucked up. You know what I mean? But it works. And for something this stupid, it's good enough for me. I can't eat right. But yeah, it's cool. I don't know what we're going to play today. I didn't realize you were telling me last night it could download all the hacks in that difficulty. It does everything. Like it's wild. You just click a button. Like, see, I got all the grand. Like, if I want, say, I want Kaizo Master, right? It's going to be longer, but let's do it. So Kaizo Master, download and patch. It's finding that many, 245 hacks. And let's see, it's 9:59. So let's see what happens. See if it crashes my stream. And this is true. It does do it. It does do it in a row, which is good. It's not trying to do more than one. We'll just see how long it takes while I eat. I got a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Very good. We'll see if anything fails. Because there may be like a hack with a weird character in it that I never was able to download yet, and that may break something. You know what I mean? So we'll see. You never really know what's going to happen. We can check the number, though, by looking at the file. So we go to Kaizo and Master. We have 87, 88, 89 of these. See, and they're just low now. Something I would like to add, too, is version. Like, keep a history of the version. I don't know if I want it in my name. But having a history, yo, thanks, Silver Fox. Yeah, I had AI help me write it last night, and it worked out really good. See, error processing fourth chamber, download link. What is that? That's fun. What is this? Download link not found. That's cool. We'll check it. We'll check into that. It's Python. I used Python to write it. Well, AI did like 80-90% of it. Yeah, I don't know Python. AI did it basically, but I know enough about coding and how it kind of, you know what I mean. But yeah, I want to check these errors out, which is cool. Also, I love that the error doesn't break it. Like the error, actually, it just logs an error and moves on to the next one. But what I don't know is, did it log that under processed incorrectly? No. Oh, frog soup failed too. I wonder if it's because it has a frog in it or something. You know what I mean? I might have to strip out like, different characters. Oh, it didn't? Oh, cool. You trolled too hard, Pro, yesterday? I wasn't even streaming yesterday. Did you troll? I can't even talk. Troll too hard somewhere else? Super Fart World didn't work either. Oh, that's not fun. Did you get banned in places? Hey, look, it's Hacker's Dream. Don't tell Brit. All right, what number are we at? We started at 9:59, and we're at 230 in what, 34 minutes? I mean, that's not bad, and we're done. It took 4 minutes, maybe 3.5 minutes is more accurate. It did it one at a time. We had a few failures, but I don't know why. That's the thing. Like, I don't know why the download link failed for this. But so Super Fart World, let's look at our processed and look for is Super Fart. Oh, it's probably going to have its actual name. Oh, it didn't. Nice. So what's great about this is it didn't add Super Fart to this, meaning that when it runs again, it will only download the ones that failed, and those will all fail. So like if I try it again, it will fetch all of the information. And look, let's see how many things show already processed. So it's done. Pro, I wrote, so we play Super Mario World ROM hacks from Super Mario World Central, and they recently updated the difficulty ratings. So I created this app last night to re-download, unzip, patch, rename, and categorize all of the ROM hacks all at once, because I want to build my system again. And see, it puts it under the ROM hacks directory, the Kaizo, and then the difficulty type. And then it automatically unzips it, patches it, renames it to the nice name, and then saves it here. So I could just get everything all wonderful and beautiful. Look how it's so pretty, guys. Like nobody's hack list looks this pretty, right? It always has like V1, V2, V1.1, V blah, 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 right? So it's just so wonderful and nice to see. And like, look at Frog Soup. This is elite. Look at this. This is incredible. That is, does this break? No, it works. That is, I wonder, look, it's the frogs. That is, I mean, that's amazing. I don't know if this will break the NT. All right. It depends on, what system it's on and how it can read, like, what is it? The ASCII characters or whatever. So let's see if we can see the errors. I want to try to see why this failed. Oh yeah, I haven't tested. Yeah, NT might fail, but if that's the case, like, I can add some stuff to say, hey, if it doesn't have any, letters or whatever, just take what it is or something. You know what I mean? There's a way to do it. So download link not found. So what does that mean? So let's see. Like if I go to Super Mario World Central, and let me do this for you guys. Is it this? Yeah. SMW Central. So I bring this over here, make it smaller. And we go to hacks. And we go to filter. And we go to, what is this one? Super Mario Stole the Souls. So see, it does have a download link. Mario climbs a tower? I wonder if that's if it's because it's named differently, but I don't know. It should find it, right? Or maybe like there's something wrong with like the length. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if something is different. Not sure. Found a couple of errors in the master. Yeah, well, I'll have to like work on that, which is fine. This is the master category, so yeah. Where is it? The error processing this. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it didn't work, but see if we can look at another one that failed and see if we can find some similarities actually. Error process down. See, it's download link not found. So it's when it's trying to look at the download link. Maybe I was thinking it's advisory one. Chamber has. Oh yeah, maybe when it has an advisory, it like changes the structure of the page a bit. Huh. Like I wonder. Like let me duplicate this tab and then pull up like Beautiful Dangerous. You know what I mean? Like. It's moving backwards. If I go here, is this different? Well, it'd be easier to look at it side by side, wouldn't it? So like we have name, author, added, version history. Name, well, version history will be different. Let's go back like this. See if this is different. We want it. So we have name, length, difficulty, type, authors, rating, size, down. See, that's the same. It should have found it. I don't know why. Hey, Newgasm, it doesn't work on non-game screens. But I can go to just chatting if you want to try it. Also, just emotes in general work now too. You don't have to do sticker. You can just do a bunch of emotes and it will work. I don't know why, but you're right. It must be that advisory. I wonder if that changes something behind the scenes that I can't see. No, yeah. See, this is player discretion is advised. Submit contents the following. Yeah, I wonder. So what does the download link look like then for this? It is okay. And then if I go to Beautiful Dangerous and lift this down. So it's just dl.net. Yeah, I don't know. So the only error that I've seen so far now is that when a hack has an advisory, it can't find the download link. So I'd have to fix that. So let me go to the page and do this issues. New issue. Let's see, error processing hack. Download link not found. When a hack on SMW Central has an advisory warning, the application is unable to download. To find the download link. And where's our... There. All right, I created that as an issue on the GitHub page. If you guys see anything else like that, you can add it. But here's the issue. Although interesting enough, random BS go download an expert and that has an advisor. Yeah, it's fine. I'll work through it. Blocks and hammers and coins and spikes is another one that fails and it has it. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if it's. Well, it can't be if the name is too long, right? Because like, look at the one. There's a Kaizo Grandmaster hack that is like the world's long. It's the funniest thing. Maybe it wasn't this one. There was one I downloaded that was like so long. Like, see, these are very, very long. You know, and they still work. So I'm not. Yo, gentlemen. Not sure. So anyway, there's always going to be issues. I literally did this last night in a few hours. So it's good to push it out, tell people about it, let people use it, and then we can figure out what's going on. But you know what I mean? The best part is that it doesn't have those in the processed folder or the file, so we can just rerun it. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal. And it'll just fill it in. Like look at this is so long. But yeah, that's cool. That's what I've been up to a little bit, you know what I mean? It's been really fun. Let me see. I was thinking it has too many characters. Yeah, I thought that too, but I don't think that's what it is, but I'm not sure. And it's too, I don't want to like dig into it on stream. It's very long and very boring. It's way easier for me to just like you would see, Lindsay, it's just put on music and be off stream and just like dive into it. I really like, I kind of don't talk and I focus and I get in this trance. It's not good for stream because I'll miss messages and all of that, but it is cool to have all of this options, you know, and again, all of this stuff will save. So again, when you open it again to download anything, you can just continue where you left off. But yeah, I don't know why the download, this is a good hack to play if you just started playing Kaizo World as a hack name and download it fine. Yeah, see? So it's not length. It has to be, I bet you when something has this, there's something hidden on this page. Like if we look at the page source, like, I wonder if there's like an advisory. Like if I go here, what is the word? Player discretion. Let's see. If we're in the source, is there a discretion anywhere? Advisory. Now that's advanced. Let's see. Download link. See, it has it there. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. It looks the same, which is odd. So I'm not quite sure why that's happening. You know what I've been using is just this. Like this, I'll show you what I was doing. The Copilot in Visual Studio, I think, doesn't work as well as the one inside of Edge. So like, let's see. I can say my SMW Central downloader application is failing for a very small percentages of hacks. Usually hacks that are showing the following message. Can you review the tabs open and find differences between a hack with an advisory warning and a hack without? I'd like to figure out why the application is breaking for the following error message. Again, you got to be thorough. And then where is it at? Like, and you send it. I know it's just scraping the web. The website, it's just doing web scraping. I didn't even know they had an API. That website is so old looking. So I didn't know if they had like OAuth. I didn't see any documentation online about like getting an application token or anything. They do? Oh, I could probably use that. That might be easier, but again, this works. You know what I mean? They made one pretty recently. Got you. Yeah, I could always like rewrite that. I didn't see any documentation on the website. Is it like at the bottom or something? I don't see it. Their API? Find API? Yeah, there's nothing. I don't see it. API? Do they do it like this? That would be weird. I don't know. I don't see API on the site at all. Anyway, look, the advisory knows, like it says in Colera, it said the download button is present visually in the source, but your application might be failing to locate it due to unusual formatting. Your parser might be trying to locate the download button by using standardized hack name, but but I don't think that's happening. But maybe that is trying to do that, which would be weird. Yo, Saffros, look what I made. Thanks, Lee. It's a, what is this? Cloud, and it has one file? And I guess it's just public, so you don't even need access to it? Huh. Yeah, maybe I'll update this to use this instead. This may be way more helpful. That would be cool. Maybe that would help. Oh, so Saffros, this downloads everything, unzips it, patches it, renames it to the hack friendly name, and saves it into a hack folder structure based on type and difficulty, organized by difficulty number. And it's ready. You just hit go, and it just does everything. And because I had to redo all of my stuff, and I wasn't about to spend hours reorganizing everything. So thanks, Leet. I'll have to see if I can rewrite it. But for anyone that joined late, if you guys want to see, that's cool. Really similar to mine, but mine was way too big. Really? This is just Python. It's like 12 megs. But I had AI pretty much help me for most of it. So if you guys want to do it, use it. There it is. So you just made a program to do it instead? Yeah, because now you guys can use it too. It only took like a couple hours. And it was fun. I got to do. There are some bugs. Like I found this error processing this, and I'm trying to figure it out. What we found so far is that happens usually when a hack has an advisory for some reason. So I was just curious about that. But then Newgasm said that SMW Central has an API. So what I may end up doing is rewriting this to utilize the API instead. No, I actually what's funny is using I only have a free account in VS Code, but I used Copilot in Edge. This Copilot here in Edge was giving me 100,000 times better results than the one in actual VS Code. I don't know what model this one was using. I exceeded my limit though, see? So I'd have to pay for it. I don't want to do that. What's the language to pull the link? The free one usually allows the GPT when they suck. Yeah, I don't want to pay for it, but I don't know what uses in Edge because it's great, dude. This one in Edge, wherever my window went, has been awesome. It sucks though because I have to say send me the whole file and I copy and paste it back and forth, but it did work. You know what I mean? It was working, and now I created an app in a couple hours and it looks great. It works. It saves this information. It has a process JSON file so that if you rerun it again, it will tell you if I go here and I try to rerun this, it will tell you these are already processed. So it won't download hacks that you already have. Which is great because you can rerun this every week and you'll just update your entire system to have the newer hack. And it's a click of a button. You open it, click a button, you're done. You know what I mean? And it does. You can have the different hack types. So you could do all of the new filtering. It's pretty cool. But again, what's the language to pull the link? It's just using Python. It's written in Python. So there's a scraper here that's scraping it's using Beautiful Soup. Yeah, it's using Beautiful Soup. It's a scraper. Okay. Parser. It's getting hack row soup. Yeah, see, and it's using the title. I'm wondering if it's trying to get the download link based on the hack name that it found, and the hack name is cut off on the website. But it worked for some longer hacks, so you know what I mean. I'm not quite sure. Yo, Melums, thank you. Happy 4th to everyone as well. Thank you. Welcome in. How are you? Yeah, but we looked. So this one is very long. So I don't know if there's a limit. It all depends. But again, see, but it shows the whole hack name here. So I'm not sure. I'm doing good. And it has download here. Everything looks the same. Like I was kind of like trying to look at Beautiful Dangerous and this hack to know the difference between like what's happening, and I can't find it. So I'll have to dig into that and figure it out. But it's not a huge deal. See, because this is Beautiful Dangerous here. And it looks the same. Like if you look at this, it's just smaller. But like other than that, it's like it's identical. Has exits, has difficult. Everything's organized the same. And I've also confirmed that I had larger like names. If you go into some of these folders, like see, like these are really long and they work. So I'm not sure. I'll have to dig into it. It's fine. By the way, yeah, I was lurking. We were doing so much stuff, Sappros. Great hack, like 2 levels where I was salty as hell. The rest were just awesome. That seems about right for a first hack, right? And yo, Eddie, thank you for the heart me. I don't know why I missed that. I'm so sorry. I need to get better at that, but there's a lot going on. But anyway, thanks, Eddie. Eddie, how are you in Invictus? But yo, Sappros, GG's. I'm glad. I think that's pretty typical though, right? That like usually a hack that's expert, or I guess it's master, that you know, you love that shirt ratio, you can buy it. It's my shirt. But thank you. It's my like June mental health month. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, thank you though. And if you're a Twitch sub, you get 10% off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, I'm overwhelmed, like trying to figure out stuff. But anyway, yeah. So it's just doing scraping, but I didn't know there was an API, so I may try to rewrite it. I may try to rewrite it to use the API instead. I think it would be better and cleaner, and would get much better information out of it. And you know, and then it would have the rate limiting, and it'd be exactly what they want it to do. So I think that's the next step. Is to get it to a point to utilize the API behind the scenes. I think that would be much better. This is not an awesome as a first hack. This is really awesome as a hack. Yo, thanks so much, Sappros. I do appreciate that. And seriously, thank you so much. It means a lot. That hack, I worked on it so much that I had stopped working on Lunar Magic. You know what I mean? Like I hated Lunar Magic for like the longest time. But anyway, that's that. That's good. Yeah, this is just me showing. I'm gonna keep that because I'm gonna I can use that for my hacks. And then just to show, yo, Tuka, thank you. You guys don't see it, but I see it in my alerts. Tuka, thank you. Did you buy this exact color? Did you? You're the best, dude. How bright is your screen right now? So where is it? I think it's this one. So you want to see something really cool looking? Look at how good the intro of this looks now. Savros, you'll like this. I made a what's it called? A little not so sign. Isn't that cool looking? No, I got mint green. Dude, mint green. Mint green is like the best color. Right? Doesn't that look so good? Have like a little not so sign. Oh, my shoulder's all messed up, guys. I got a massage yesterday too, and she worked my shoulder out a lot, and it helped. Lindsay, I'll tell you this. She told me that my masseuse told me that my shoulders and neck have never been that tight in my life. So that's why I'm getting all my headaches. So she worked it out, and I feel better. And then, but this side tweaked before I went there, and she worked it out, but it still just hurts. It's gonna need a day or two to get better. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm excited. So I'm not gonna play it because I don't want to play it. I don't want to play it, but I will tell you guys, the only thing left is the overworld. So all the levels are done, everything is good. I have someone working on the overworld. They said end of July, early August release is good to go. So I'm very excited for all of that. So that's what we're gonna hope for. That's what we're going to hope for. So for you guys out there, early July or late July, early August release. So your summertime, you'll get a beautiful, not so dangerous by the end of summer, which is awesome. All right, let's go to retro. We'll find something to play. I don't know what to do. Man, let me turn the green screen off. I'm glad that she was able to help with the tightness. I need like a yeah, I know. I'm upset. My chiropractor like moved away. I need to get a new one. I don't want to. No, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Save that there. Edit. SMW Central API. I want to save that. Okay. So what am I doing? Oh yeah, I want to see. Is there? I may play day at the turkey races or something. Want to give me some feedback on PP3? Oh, do you want me to like play test that? I can do that now if you want. I don't know if you want me to do it live though. I can do that. Thanks for that share, Newgasm, by the way. That was great. You can do it live. All levels are done so far. You'll send it over. Yeah, let's do that. All right. Well, let me change all of my stuff. I wish I was better at that. Let me see. Change this to Super Mario World. And then play testing pizza for Saffros. And this is not play testing, but you know, you could call it what you want it. I'll just do it that way, just so I can see. Let me update some stuff. I wonder if I can update all the titles. That would. Tweed, how are you? Hopefully I didn't just break everything. I don't know if that worked. Tweed, welcome in. How are you? How is everybody? Get rated, sir. You get rated. I'm going to raid you back right now. Everyone, we're going to Tweed. Tweed, you got to log back on.
Hello.
How are you guys doing? Welcome in, everybody. Wasuka, Jenny, Jagon. I'm probably saying all these names wrong. How are you guys? Welcome in. 7 Up. Let's go. Mage.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, here, I'll go to just chatting, you guys. Spam emotes. I made a new sticker thing the other day. Spam as many emotes as you can. If you do exclamation point sticker too, it'll do your Twitch profile photo. I'll show you. Sticker, and then you could do, yeah, see? And it does a bunch of stickers, and they fall off like stickers. They wiggle and fall after like 10 seconds or something. And they work with animated emotes and everything. I did that the other day because I was bored. And you get spam it like crazy, and it's hilarious. And it will fill up my entire screen. Which is kind of fun. Right? Look at Damien down there dancing. He knows what's up. He knows what's up. You love this? Oh, thanks, Mellums. It's really cool. It doesn't work. It doesn't work on gameplay screens because I don't want this over my clips. But on like stream starting, be right back, ending, and this just chatting screen, it will work there. But yeah, I wrote that with StreamerBot, and it does WebSocket calls to like a Node.js hosted website on my computer. Like, I did a lot of coding this week. But yeah, developing. Yeah, Saffros, I took 2 weeks off of work, so I wasn't coding for 2 weeks. And isn't that what happens? Like, you like it again. You know what I mean? Like that's what happens. When you stop coding for a living, you actually like to code for fun. But when I'm coding, 60 hours a week and I get off of work, the last thing I want to do, you know what I mean? The last thing I want to do is that, oh yeah, we can do just playtesting today. because Elsa sent me a new file too, and I've been an asshole and haven't been doing any of that for him. So let me find that. Where was that at? I don't want to download a port. Elsa, he sent me a lot of stuff. All right, I don't know if this is right or not, but give me a second. I'll patch it. It will be good. So you need to take more time off work. This is awesome. Yo, BT, thanks. Yeah, it's fun though. If you do just exclamation point, sorry. No, I'm just kidding, LSS. We talk a lot, man. We're bros. It's like when I look up anything with my buddy Eric at work, like it's just like constant messages because we talk all the time. You know what I mean? Like we talk all day. So like I'm trying to find something and I'm like, I can't find it. Where is it? Rather not be alone. Oh, and yo, Tweed, if you want to re-download everything too from
freaking G.
Yo, thank you for that. Tweed, I forgot. If you want to download all ROM hacks, I made a tool today. I need to make like a thing for this, huh? Like I need to make a command for this. But if anyone I made an application that downloads all of the SMW hacks on SMW Central, organizes them by difficulty and patches them and unzips them and does everything for you. But there it is. Go check it out. Test it. If it fails, create issues, let me know. I'll probably never fix it. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, right? We'll see. Let me see. Did that actually update stuff? It did not. Okay, so give me a second, guys. We'll do a data check, so when it will only download hacks you have another. Yeah, it does. That's what I was telling you, Sapros. It creates, after you run, it doesn't do that like, everybody's going to download everything initially because it does its own organization. But once you run it, it will create a process JSON, yeah, and then it will double check into that. I like that the stickers aren't all placed straight; they are leaned one side or the other. Like, yeah, the rotating of everything is RNG, and also the canvas placement. Also, Melums, what I did was when you send a lot earlier, they would all stick at the same time. So I added a 50 millisecond delay so that even when I send like this big message, they show up at different times. And if they show up at different times, they fall off at different times. So rather than sending a message and them all showing at once, they kind of go do 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 do, which is it's just more fun, right? It's more of a syncopated rhythm, which I like a lot. It's definitely better. So it's those little knick-knack touches, you got to add to like really make it out. Thank you guys as well for the follows. Tweed, thank you for the raid. You're probably asleep already. But thank you. I do appreciate it. Oh, there's an ad starting and I missed it. So queue handling. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Again, AI did a lot of it. I think the next step in that patcher though is to update it to work with the API instead of web scraping. I didn't know there was an API, so I will have it do that. I think we'll get a lot of benefits and advantages from that. But they aren't placed straight. They're like turned to certain angles. That's what, yeah. When it shows up, they're just not all straight. They're like all different ways. And the stickers move back and forth. Yeah, when they fall off, they kind of wiggle. It's pretty cool. All right, cool. I got that patched. Let me eject this. I don't think it works with text emotes. Yeah, I don't think it does. I tried it. I think it just StreamerBot doesn't know that that's an emote for some reason. I tried it. And I'm constrained. I'm constrained by the StreamerBot. Wrong one. Let me do this. Yeah, see, those don't work. I don't know why. It just doesn't work. Pizza. That's what I'm calling it because it's pizza. I will do I gotta do, what is it? Game title, I think. Is that what it is? Game creator is Sapros. Sapros, do you know how many exits there are? I would hope you would know. 12. I think that's right. And then exit 00. All right, I can't use my tool because it's not. If I do exclamation point hack, it will do all of it for me. But since it's not on SMW Central, then we're not going to do it. You know, it wouldn't know that. All right, pizza, 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 and let me turn the music off. Look at this, Mario's Pizza Party 3. Look at this dude, he's eating pizza. Savros. Also, did you know that purple's my favorite color? Marv, welcome in. What the fuck? Oh my god. Seems like I fucked up the title screen. Oh, it looks good to me. Lindsay! Thank you for the gift sub to Jenny. Jenny, enjoying this emote. Oh, is it because is Pizza Party now supposed to be solid blocks? Oh, Mario should not be there? Hey, at least he's trapped. If he... Hey, it's fine. Hey, look, listen, we fixed it already. Pizza Party, yeah, we're going to do some playtest. I probably should put playtesting in the title, right? I will do it as game creator. Playtesting by Saffros. Let's see, does this work? Yeah. Oh, it adds by in the front. Oh, okay, let me reorganize my brain then. Does this work? Yeah, there we go. Oh, my shoulder hurts. Yeah, I mean, you know what? Well, let's see what else you fucked up. How about that? All right, let's play. Okay, we're gonna break everything. So, can I move anywhere else? No. Koopa's Butter Bridge 2. All right, Butter Bridge 2. And ads are done, so it's perfect timing. Oh, what? This is cool. I've gone too fast. Oh, this is not... Okay. Start at Koopa's. Thanks for the lurk. I'm already breaking stuff, Saffros. Granted, I don't know if you care. I'm just gonna play and do weird shit, all right? So you can change it however you want. Hold on. When I died, did the world... Oh, why did... Hold on. When I died, what happened to the sky? It did weird stuff. I like this. This is fun. I get up hyped. You're an asshole. Oh, and I guess you can also... Let's see. You can also do this, but, like, well, who cares? I think Lindsay has been waiting for me to break, and then you can just go like this, but then you don't have that guy, right? So that makes sense. And I can't keep anything, right? Hold on. Maybe I can? Probably not. Yeah, if it's not cheese, but even hard. Yeah, of course. Of course. I'm just being silly, right? Oh. Is there something in here? No. Oh, God. I'm not doing this right at all. We know this. I can't even yell at you for breaking things. Yeah, now it's like it's the purpose. You can keep that shell. Again, I don't know if you want me to. Also, if the player goes too far this way, this despawns. But, I mean, that's okay, too, I would assume. That's fun. Oh god. I don't want to just win. I don't want to win. I don't want to win the first time. I don't want to win the first time. I saw someone taking the shell until the very end, but they could not find a thing where it could help. Oh, I see. Okay, well that's good. See, if I go too far and then jump, like he's just not there. And you have plenty of time there, which is great. This is fun, dude. I like this too. That feels really good. Yeah, I just like the back and forth. The one thing that was weird though was when I died at the midway, the clouds reset somehow, and it looked really kind of like, what? You know what I mean? Like, so I don't know if that happens every time. Like, watch the clouds. If I dive, do they do weird stuff? It didn't there. It did that one time. And, you know, this is totally fine. It just feels good. I'm gonna get to the midway, I think, and then I will, oh, maybe I won't. I just like how that feels. I know that's a beginner's not gonna just do a back shot like that, so that's also okay. Keep that in for us fun guys. So look, if I died here, watch the background. Ah, there it is. There it is. Do you see that? I don't know why it does that. I guess maybe you have Uber ASM that resets the background or does something and it needs to be in not in whatever. You know what I mean? So watch the background here. Right here. Yeah, I think you got to delay that. I don't know if you care about it, but I just noticed it. Yo, what's going on, Tweed? Yeah, it's everywhere. So if you die, it's just like kind of like, yeah, it just shifts back. I think I had that in Beautiful Dangerous and I fixed it, but I don't remember how. That was a long time ago. Oh god, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Can I go through that? Oh, I cannot. Okay. If there's an easy fix, that's fine. Yeah, no, I get it. I don't think it's that complicated. Oh. Oh, and then you get stuck. You gotta go fast. What's going on, Tweed? No, I know. I'll talk to you a long time ago, but you didn't respond because I told everyone you were probably in the bathroom. I need you.
Matthew Denny, second.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's not fine. I sent you a GitHub of an application I made that downloads ROM hacks by all different categories. What is going on, Jessica? Thank you for the heart me and the go popular. You were in the bathroom. I thought you were. It's fine. I know post-stream rituals, man. I get it. But anyway, thank you for the raid. Even though I already thanked you, but you didn't hear me because you were in the potty, but that's okay. Oh. Your camera tells no lies. Yeah. I thought it was too. It is a relatively easy fix if it's in background Uber ASM. Also good. Yo, thanks, Abstract. Yeah, I had it in Beautiful Dangerous, I believe. I think it's because you have to put it in initialize and not main, right? Is that what it is? Like, I think it's like it's happening because like it shouldn't reset before the level reloads or something. I don't remember. I feel like it's something like that. Oh man, there's a couple edits in the init main. Got you. I guess you had that issue as well. But I held. Oh, does that not work because this is layer 2? I held jump. Layer 2 does weird stuff, right? Oh man, you're zooming. This was your first layer. Oh, it's just one section? Can we get a layer 2 troll here? I'm just kidding. Don't do that to people. We'll go back to that one. Yeah, unfortunately, I had the snapping on reload. You fixed it. Gotcha. Yeah, I think I did the same thing. Yo, Iggy, what's going on? Welcome in. Jessica, good morning. How are you? Hopefully everyone's doing well. Ratio and Pizza Party 3, Sappho's working together now. Yeah, so I was telling people, Sappho's, about Flappy Mario. I already have an idea. Like we should make the intro screen like where you start flying and you're flying and you die, and like it's a playable intro screen where you literally have to start and fly in between the pipes like the traditional Flappy Mario, and then you get to a place where it says Flappy Mario, like the logo, and that's the title screen. Wouldn't that be sick? Like you just start, like it just starts you like a playable screen where you die and you have to fly, and then you get to the intro screen, and then it will give you like a message or something, and then you just go right into it. I think that would be amazing. So I want to go back to this level. Just you know, I just got so many cool ideas. And of course, you know, it could start you off a little easy, you know. Yeah, you could none of that. Well, did that show like a goalpost? It's doing weird stuff too at the right. Like when I die, I saw like it looked like a goalpost at the top right. This level's pretty tough. You gotta wait there. So I don't know if you want to give the player something else to do while they wait there. And this is just go, right? Same here. You gotta like just be ahead of it, which is not too bad. You gave so much time here, right? Like I could do this all day. Yeah, I think once you play it, it's super simple. We're gonna get the orb because it feels good. That hash brown looks so good, so I have one on the way. It was very good. Yeah, boorb. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's layer 2 is tough. Spooky swamp. Is this Olaf swamp? That was perfect. You're supposed to spin jump on Erie's, you know. It's got blood on it. I had to test it. Can I stand on this? That'd be a fun place for a secret pipe to put a ratio photo. I'm just saying, you know. If you ever wanted to put a ratio photo on something, that is the place to do it. Oh God, there's instant. Hold on, was there instant? was there instant instant mushroom in the first level, or just this one? Oh, I thought that was an on-off block in every level. I'm just dumb. See, that's the problem too. Is I don't pay attention. I guess this is what you want, but that's totally fine. It still works, right? Yeah, that feels great. And then we just do this and do this. And... What? That was so cool. Hold on though. Can I get Mr. Erie to be my best friend? I want to do it. Oh, it's good. I think I can keep him. I don't know if you added a sprite killer, but I'm pretty sure I can keep him. Hold on. Other people probably have tried this. It's right. Oh, I gotta spin. Oh yeah, hit me with that sweet Final Fantasy. Dude, Final Fantasy is like such a good game, man. I haven't played it in a long time. I think the one I played the most was Final Fantasy 3 on Nintendo. All right, so spin. Can't jump, but that's okay because I'm gonna have an Erie now. Oh, he disappeared. Go on the bite, maybe. Yeah, that's what okay, I'll save state because I want to test it. I mean, that you could do that. You don't even need to do any of that, so. Yeah, that one may need to be just one block. See? I don't. Oh, he came back. No. All right, hold on. How do you save state? So I can keep him. I don't know if it does much. You may want to just move this sprite killer to like here. Right? Just cause. Oh, you have to keep him? Okay. I thought that was damage boost. But see, it's so easy. It's so easy for him to be despawned. You know, like, oh, I did the wrong thing. I think I took a save state. So let me play as if I don't know anything. Let's try it. Let's try it. I don't know anything. I'm just playing a video game, just going right and left. We're gonna do this. Up, get this, go this. Let's go. Right, he's there. So maybe it's when you go slow, but which most people will probably go slow if it's beginner, right? So we'll see. Let's go slow now. That was fast. Maybe not fast, but it was. I wanna go slow. Be like, oh no. So he's there. Okay, let's just. Well, trying to go slow. It seems to be. I don't know how to. I can't get it to not work. I don't care if I don't have the mushroom. So see, yeah, if you're slow, you just have to be really slow. Even then, it works. I don't know. I'm just testing now. So like, if he despawns off the screen by the time you get into the pipe, you're out. Yeah, that might be a better idea, is just to put the pipe here. Right? And you can have it go up off screen if you need it to have like longer to keep up with the spawning. Like if he has to come out, like, cause if I go like this, you know, you land and you probably have plenty of time though. You want to jump over him and do that. And then you damage boost, and you happily get the. And I'm gonna get this. We tested that pretty good. And I'll get the music back. Where am I going? Oh, boo, buddy. Yeah, the palette is great. You can't spin on these guys. Just checking. Oh, that feels good. That's gonna be hard for beginners, but I think that's good. Have them suffer. I want to do spin, spin, jump. I'm trying to like I'm gonna speed run this now. No, now I'm all I'm off. I'm off. I like that. That's cool. Old jump here, and then you get up high. Hold on. Can I go up on top of that? I don't know why I would want to do that, but I'm a silly person, so I don't think I can jump that high. Again, Savros, I'm just looking at stuff. So this is really fun. Okay. Oh, the left arrow made me hold left, and then I died because I held left. So I don't know if that's a troll. Hold right here. Oh, there's a pipe. I don't know how to read. How do you use your eyeballs? Oh, I'm it's so bad. All right, that is not the. I like how that dude dies. It's pretty fun. Hold right. All right, what are we going? I did that the wrong way. That was crazy. I don't know, why am I jumping? It just feels right. It worked. Oh, and then you got this guy. Oh, and you have to get the tape. Okay, cool. Oh, that did weird stuff. That kind of broke stuff, but I don't know if you care. Yeah. Hey, Lindsay, if you can, if you're working and you can't, I think you did already update the exits, or we got to it. 1, 2, 3. Somebody did. I don't know. Maybe it was just at 3 and that's perfect. You did. Oh, you are the best. Oh, who doesn't love ropes? Thank you guys for the G's. Oh, I'm going to jump on his head. I love this port. Hold on. Can I go through this? Is that 100? Should be, right? Yeah, okay. I have no idea how I lived through any of that. So you want me to like do this and then swish right in the middle of that? Okay. This is just a regrab. Oh god, I keep doing that. I'm so used to like jumping off of ropes so fast. You know what I mean? Like, that's really cool. This is fun, dude. And you give me all the time in the world there. Maybe like one of these. It would be better to have like a tree like this with a muncher under it, right? So that you can't jump up there. Would that work? To force you to where you can't jump? But let me see. Because all this is good. Yeah, what if there was like this same thing I just died, but like to the right? I don't know if you'd want that, but that could be something like that too. It's your hack. Either way, it's fine. Because I see that top part and I think I'm supposed to jump on it because I just jumped on it. Oh, I died. Everything that helps rebuild. Yeah. I try to do that because I feel like people don't know. Because I even instinct, I see area and I'm like, jump off of it quick. But that's a me thing. Oh gosh. All right, so how, okay, so that was cool. So you got to jump off that one immediately. Yeah, because I think most of these you jump off of immediately except for that one. That one's the only difference. And this you want me to go. I wish there was a Kaizo block there. No, it looks good. Yeah, it's good too. All right, we one-shot that section, so it's perfect. Don't change anything. I don't know why. The first one was so complicated. Must be a fan of Avril Lavigne. Dude, this McDonald's coffee is hitting, dude. I wanted to go back. I wasn't ready. I one-shotting a section is not playtesting. It makes me feel good as a person. You know what I mean? But I need to like poke and prod and have fun. I want to do this correctly. And you have to do that to get him across. And you don't even need both of those, which is so kind. That's great. Oh. Okay, let's get this section. I feel like, can I get P-Speed here and just, who cares about this fish? I think so. Like if you get rid of the fish somehow. Here, I have to like despawn him. Does he come all the way? He's gonna come back, right? You can do it. Why you would do that? Why you would do that? Dan, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck people do in Mario videos. Was it easier? Hell no, it wasn't easier. But, yeah, it definitely wasn't easier. Was it fun? Oh, it was fun. It was fun. Yo, Alhuno. And like, can you get it here too? Kinda. You need a little bit more momentum. It's definitely not easier, but it was fun. This level's great. That's really cool. All right, we'll beat it because it feels good. That section's great. That wasn't easier. Hell no. You know that. You asked that. Yeah, I saw that XD. It was definitely not easier. It's cold as hell in here now. My AC is kicking. Okay, so you love this dry desert. All right. Ooh, dude. Can I die? Okay. I can die. Can I go up here with a... Oh god, I have to like... This is not easier. I'm just being stupid. I don't even know if I could do a midair this way. How do you even do it this way? How do you even do it that way? I want to get up there. I don't know why. Okay, good spot for a Kaizo block. And so it is true, then that would be great. Don't kill me, bruh. Ah, this is so good. I love the quicksand. It's so fun. It would be, yeah, it would be cool. Ah. This port always makes me move my hips. You know what I mean? It's like, it turns me into Shakira. Oh, I see you. Oops. Thank you guys for all the TikTok likes. I appreciate it. I got an idea though, like he's throwing that bone, right? Question. All right, I gotta time it. Hold on. Don't throw it at me. Throw it the other way. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I don't know. I thought you could, but maybe you can't. Let's try it. Let's try it. I'm just testing it. Is that... No, I know. I just don't know. Let me... Okay, you can. Well, I was like, why am I doing all this when I could just... I thought you could spin... Maybe it's a different Mario game. I don't know, man. I bonked. It made you go, oh shit, for a second. That's really cool. Oh, that's weird. So you got to do 2 and then go to the... Okay, 2, then go... Yo, Josh, thank you for the heart me. That's really fun. And you have a lot of time. Even with this, you have a lot of time. But this one, you want to go like... Oh, no. You don't have time. Maybe I jumped on it too early. Yo, happy 4th, Josh. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me see. Oh, that's fun. Invisible sprite blocks. This guy. I found his secret. Found the secret. There, that's what you want. Okay, I'm gonna save state here. No D-pad. Oh, that's fun. And then you gotta go. Oh, I missed it. That was real cool. Let me go back to this guy. Should those be blue? I know. This is real fun. And he does walk off the ledge, so you gotta hurry. But you may... Can I spin in here? Can I spin out of it? Oh, I got an idea. Oh, you can respawn him. Nothing beats playing in the sand on a hot summer day, yeah. H. I don't know if you want to respawn, but I think it's kind of nice, and that will kill you. That was fun. It's fine. Yeah, I think you're right. I think respawning is totally fine. It's really just me showing you this is possible. If you like it, you love it, you know, it's all good. What's going on, Tiger? Almost died there. Got a regular jump, but we can respawn him even though he's not dead yet. Okay, big jumps. Okay, Oh no, I almost saved that. I did not read that well at all. Well, I guess I kind of did. That was fun. I love midair stuff though. I don't know if that's going to be hard for a beginner, but I think I went way too fast. I don't think you're supposed to just, I don't know. I trusted you a lot, which is good. It showcases our friendship and how I feel about you. All right, all right. A big boy jump, little boy jump. He's gonna try to kill me with his bone because he's a jerk. Oh, I didn't trust. I didn't trust. I thought he was gonna fall forward more. I like this. This level is probably my favorite. I like the idea of I lost my jump input there, but I like the idea of stalling. Like, it's such a good feeling to stall in the air to make a jump. You know what I mean? I really like that. It feels really good to do like that. And building a level around that is really cool. See, that spawned so much better. Yo, what's going on, Lurgs? How are you, man? This is real fun. I'm having fun. Easy. I like, you know, because when I play test for L says it's gonna be a little bit harder. The catacomb. Okay, I can jump on that dude's head. I don't know what everything Cyber makes to me. Don't tell him I said that. I won't. Your secret's safe with me. This is very pretty. I tried to jump. Oh, hey, last time it only did one. I don't know why. Probably me. I mean, Mario moves in weird ways. Oh, it goes under me. Did the whole tile set on your own except back? Yeah, this is great. That's awesome. Are you gonna try to submit it to SMW Central? I don't know why that beetle's there. Why did I jump? What is the beetle for? Just to hit the on-off? Also, I don't know if you care about this, but the music on this level feels very loud compared to the others. Oh, the beetles, I see. It's just there to be mean. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if it is. It just seems louder to me, but you know. This level's awesome, dude. I remember you working on this on stream. Oh, I missed. I keep thinking that that's a platform and not a jump off of me, dude. I don't know why. Old jump there. I almost did it again. Oh, that worked. That's beautiful, dude. Ah! Hold on. Ugh. Trying to see if there's anything in this. Oh! I'm thinking if there was anything I could cheese. I know, we'll die. We'll die and try again. I one-shot a lot of that, so. That's such good timing. It gives everyone plenty of time to do stuff. That's really cool. Yeah, that's super fine. I like how Lindsay's doing exits before I complete them. She knows. Yeah, that level was amazing, dude. I need to see map, but I believe it. No, the very first exit is not an exit. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you might be behind. All right. Big City Nights. This is our friend. He's gonna start walking, so we want to go. Now we're trapped. This is cool. Can I go on top of that? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're not stealing my shell, sir. Nice, dude. Look at this. Dude, another secret idea. Watch this. Hold on. I can give him a little kiss. Okay. Smooches, yeah, exactly. Oh, that's smooches again. Why did I die? Why did I die, Stavros? Is there a timer? I don't see it. Oh yeah, this needs some rework. The two. Oh yeah, see, because you can just go like that. Oh, is this death over here? It is. Okay, I didn't know that the street lights were death. I'm sad I'm not getting any yumps. You just need to, yeah, it's all good. This is my new house. I lost it, guys. Yesterday I yumped like 4 times. So the goal is to do, I'm not sure. You did give plenty of P-switch time, which is nice. Oh, is that thing there so you don't walk off the edge, maybe? Yeah, I see that. That's so cute. I love the little cute kitten. Who doesn't love the cute little kitty? Music Land. This is Nashville, Tennessee. Oh man, what's this do? Fabio. Oh, those music notes. Fabio, how are you? Welcome in. Hello, everyone. Welcome in. I don't know what to do. Playing Cosmic Expedition, that's way hard stuff, man. I can't jump off of that thing. Fabio, how are you? How's everybody? Welcome in, friends. I love this music. Dude, what a section, man. Fabio, how are you, man? Welcome in. Igor. Dude, this is jamming, dude. I want to get the bass. I love this sport. Let's go. Oh, I can cheese that. Is it easier? Hell no, but I'm gonna do it. Uh-huh. Hold on. Dude, I swear you can squeeze. Hold on. For no reason. Come on, give it to me. This is so hard. I don't know if you can even do this. I feel like you can. That's so stupid. Maybe you can't. I don't know. Maybe not. Do I need... That was it. Oh, you can get through there that way. Get closer. I just want to see if you can do it for fun. That was so bad. Oh, I did it. Oh, oops. I need you. I need you back. Probably. Do not wake up. No! Sad. Sad. Aaron says this one love. It's so good. They know the best music, man. For sure. Oh, I almost died. I died. Hey, this is 300 style. This is more. Yeah, he did. He did kick the shit out of that guy or whatever it was. I love jumping off of note blocks with no grab. I never know to go there. Like I always forget that you have to just go. The me thing. It was. Dude, the bass in this is insane. Just go. All right, I have to see. Okay. All right. I had to check. I had to check. Norb. Yeah. Frosty Peak Peak. This is pretty. Oh, I think me waiting too long despawned him, right? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. I haven't. It's not intended, but it's sick. What if? What? Well, look at this. Watch this. And then like, you could like, you can't, but it would be sick if you had to do that, and then like, you know what I'm talking about? This is what you want. And there's this dude. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know that like I get cold. Oh, I have to be faster than that. Okay. It's probably easier for a newbie to do the spin jump there, right? Because you don't get as much height, but I don't know. I guess they can do whatever jump they want. Oh yeah, we were way faster there. I'm gonna die, right? Oh, and that... What am I supposed to do with the... Do I need the Goomba? Let me see. I rewrote some blocks and Uru say SM for this. Nice. Oh, I couldn't see. You may not need that, right? I'll try it. P-speed helps. Oh yeah. Oh god, did you see that? Oh, I need him again. Yeah, camera's always weird, but let's see if I don't know if I need the snow on up here. I'm gonna try it. I'll save state here. We already did that first part like 12 times, so. That's really cool though. All right, so I want to like, yeah. See, I don't need that. This might kill me though. Waiting. Yeah, I don't... How do you go faster than that? There's a way to make camera always focus on Mario. Yeah, I think this does that. But there, he would need to put a camera block that like shows Mario at the bottom. I think they have them, right? Oops. Oh, I did the wrong button. That's fine. Camera was weird. Maybe introduce camera. Yeah, it would be nice to make Mario at the bottom when you get there. Like you could do it even right here, because you can't see up high there either, right? And you can just skip this. I don't know if that's intended or not, but I missed him. Yeah, it's just like too close, right? That's super loose though. Let me save a save state here. Like, yeah, a little bit, you know, but I mean, it's a vertical level, right? They're never easy, like, cause you can just go, and I may be able to even skip that second platform. Let's try that actually. If you get P-speed here and you get your friend, right, you can probably just go. Nope. Okay, so I do need the top one. And you don't even need P-speed, actually. You don't even need P-speed. I don't know if this is taking way too long. You may want to put a fire thing here. Yo, what's going on, Lake? It would, because everyone's gonna do that differently. I mean, you do it however you want to, but the thing that I've noticed is that like if you, maybe I'm not supposed to hit the Galumba more than I'm supposed to. Like if I go here, all of this is pretty similar, right? Like, but if I like throw him here, like I reset the timer to something that's different. So having a fire like around a time sensitive area, well, that doesn't work, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, but like, I mean, people are gonna like accidentally like kick them, you know what I mean, at times too. I feel like people like all the time accidentally let go of the Goombas when they're not supposed to, which is fine. I mean, you can make them do it the level over again. Not a big deal. I just know everyone does something different with the Galumba and they don't know, though they won't know why it's happening. You know what I mean? That's a frustration thing, see? But I do it because I don't know when I need them. That's the thing, but you're right. Okay, and then we just go, okay. And okay. Oh, I'm big now. Look at me go. I got a raise. I mean, again, it's whatever you don't have to fix everything. You know what I mean? It's just whatever you're happy with. I'm not hitting. Oh, I love this. I use this what's it called? Graphic set in Beautiful Dangerous. I love the way the red mushrooms look. That's fun. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but this seems hard. I mean, it's not that hard, but I think a beginner will struggle with this for sure. I don't know, maybe. You just gotta like, yeah, I tried to jump. How? I did it right the first time. Yeah. You just gotta get it right the first time. I keep jumping too far. I neutral, so you can't help it. I just need to not do that as much. The me thing. What is happening there? Am I going too quickly or too slow? I'm not sure. I like this one, the fire disappears, which is kind of cool. All right, we did it that time. What? How did I die already? Could I go faster? I don't know. I don't know why I died, but that's just practice. I'll take you with me on my phone. Need to grab. Oh yeah, no worries. You can always watch the VOD. I'll just, you know. Oh, that's very tight. Oh. Oh, will I die here? That would be funny. Oh, we did. So if you lollygag for too long, you'll die there? That's amazing. Oh, this is loud. What is that P? What does that mean? Does that mean P speed? Oh, I see, I see. You gotta run in this. This is loud. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. Oh, so you're not supposed to get P speed there. Thanks, Lindsay. You've been so helpful today. I tried to jump. I reload conveyor belts and repixel. That's awesome. Ah. I did not wait long enough. I need to like jump more into it like that. I think we'll get better results. Oh, he's in all over different places. Yeah, the music in this level, though, is very loud as well. Oh, that's really fun. I don't think you wanted me to kill him there. Hold on. Oh, no. I don't know how I killed that fish. I have no idea. I guess you just trust. I have to trust you again. So hard, Sephiroth. I've been hurt so many times. Oh, the coin was a lie. That coin is not in the right spot, sir. Unless that was a troll. If that was a troll, good troll. One, yeah, it was one to the right. That's right. I guess it was there too. That ending was chef's kiss, dude. I love that. Go fast, jump, jump. Dude, this is awesome. You're going to make me order pizza for lunch. You know this, right? Oh, I love this. What's the different colors do? Oh, oh my God. See, I did that wrong. Let me out. I love this port too. That's not what you want. I took a code of 2 blocks and mixed them. Nice. Yeah. Look at you. You're getting so crafty. Thank you, controller, for releasing the random run button. What? I think I did that right. I just did it slow. What? Dude, my controller just lets go of run. It's driving me nuts. It does that. I ordered new ones, and they do it too. I think it's an SMW thing. Nah, none of my buttons are working. What is going on? I can't make this jump. I guess I'm just not doing full jumps because when do you do that? That was so close. Ah. What? Is that not what you're supposed to do? I don't know what I did wrong there. That doesn't work. Jumps are cool, but jumps are better. That's right. I think I'm not supposed to jump there. I think I'm doing that wrong. It's also going to give people, this level may give people a little bit of a problem. So I think what you want me to do is just throw it like that and jump. Yeah. But I think most experienced players, right, will jump and throw it because it, you know, it looks like you can't make that. Oh, bummer. I always forget that ads are running. Sorry about that, guys. I don't take breaks at all. I just stream until I'm like exhausted. I guess he would get stuck, and I see you. I don't need to rush there. You give it like a window where you can like take your time, which is really nice. You forgive me. I appreciate that, Newgasm. All right, so there. Now what do we do? There's going to be some trickery here. Okay, so I need to do this. Maybe I can respawn him if I go like that. No. Okay, I was too slow. I understood the assignment. This is a lot. It's fun. A lot of item juggling and stuff. This is probably going to get you moved up to it like advanced. Oops. I don't know if that's what you're going for. Banger for sure, dude. The music is so good. This has been great. Oh. I go fast here. Thank you. You weren't supposed to do that. But I did it. Thanks, Zapros, for being so kind. How did I get him? Oh, he just shows up. What does that mechanical thing do? Oh. I didn't know that happened. You may want to put a setup at the beginning that shows that block. I have a problem. I didn't even know. I just looked at it and it looked like I could squeeze through, so I did. But I'm glad because I would have died otherwise. This guy is always in the wrong spot. Come on, friend. Be a friend. Congratulations. That was great. The second half is easier than the first half, but I think it's because I learned what to do in the first half. Does that make sense? And there's that little bit of cheese. These guys look hot. Do you use the McDonald's app? I think, I don't know. We didn't today, but I think we usually do. I don't know. We wanted Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A didn't allow DoorDash orders on 4th of July, I guess, because they were like, we're going to be so busy. I need that. And you have 99. Oh, really? This coffee is banging today. It's perfect. It tastes so good. It usually isn't this good. It's incredible today. If somebody made it with a little extra love or crack. I don't know. If I start to whiz out, you know what I mean? Is that a word? Whiz out? What does that mean? Why did I say that? Seriously, like what does that mean? Weird. Like I peed myself? Is that what that means? I don't do that. Kind of weird. Probably the crack. Yeah. I think I'm supposed to do that. But let's see. Oh, there's a ceiling there. I didn't know that there was a ceiling because I couldn't see it. There's not a ceiling there. Alright, so we gotta go. That was rude. That was like as close as you can get to Bailey's without your eyes getting wet. This is hard too. Spinning on objects that are moving are tough, especially when they're moving in weird patterns. You know, like left to right. The weirdest of patterns. How did that not kill me? Skewer hitboxes are so friendly. I didn't know. I went a little too fast, I think. And then I went a little too slow. Whiz without. If I went to Philadelphia to get a cheesesteak, I would probably get a cheesesteak with a little bit of whiz. I would get provolone or white American. And definitely a little whiz. Definitely a little whiz, but I was born in Philadelphia, so. Perfect. That was perfect. Diapers. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Can I make this jump? Probably not. Probably not. I jumped clean over him. I gotta trust that he's gonna be on far left. I'm sure you can make that. I don't know. Again, it's not easier for sure. And you can do this. I don't know if that's a problem. An easy way to fix this would be to change this pattern so that there's a second block on top of this one, and then it goes to the right. Because then I'm forced to land on the second one, and it will automatically trigger the... You know what I mean? I don't know if Sapros is still here, but if he watches the VOD, that would be a good idea. Because then you're guaranteed to always land on the second one, which will keep everything moving. I have no idea how I made that. I literally seriously can't tell you how I made that. I have no idea. That made no sense. How I squeezed through that. That was crazy. We did it. I feel like I'm not doing as good as a job now. I think it's because I'm just not finding much. You know what I mean? Last exit, I guess. Or maybe the cheese fortress. Is this what it was? Yo, thanks, Third. So this might have been the last exit. Which makes sense. It was pretty tough. I think that was it. Let me reset. What's going on, Third? How are you? Are you coming back? You knew you were behind? It's fine. It's fine. I don't know. We're going to test it. 12. Okay. Yeah, so that was everything. I kind of want to do the last level one more time, to be honest with you. But we did find stuff. That's pretty sick. I mean, that was like technically a one shot. Yeah, that's gonna mess up. But hold on, let me save state here. I think you can get P speed here and clear this. I just need to keep P speed. It's hard to keep it though in that little bitty window. Yeah, I don't know if you could. Somebody better than me probably could. No, I don't know why I'm losing P speed though. Yeah. Fleet been waiting for Savros to finish this. Can't wait to play it. He makes great. Yeah, Kistune, he really does. It's been great. It's hard in certain spots, but yeah, found some cheese in some spots, so we'll fix that. It's been really good. Oh, it killed the spiny egg. The timing on that's a little unique too, but it's not a big deal. I think it's just one of those things when you get better at a level, you go faster. Just thinking if you could do that too to go faster, but it's not necessary at all, to be honest with you. Oh, what happens here? Oh, I fixed it? Oh, we're gonna have to do that. Let's break that. We gotta do some. Snakes do weird stuff, right? Oh, you don't have to hit those. Stavros, you may want to look at that. You don't have to hit him. Look. Yeah, if I held jump there. Yeah. Okay, so we did. I'm glad I went back because we definitely found that. We wouldn't have found that if I didn't go back to this. Can you hit any of them? Okay, so you just have to hit that first one. So you're gonna have to make it move up so that it fails. It seems like when it goes down, you don't have to do anything. See, I died. How did I make it through it that first time? I guess you need to go behind it there. You done it now? Oh yeah? Alright, so let's try to go behind it here. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Okay. What happened, bro? What happened? Who you trolling now? Who'd you troll? Tell me your story. Tell me about it. Troll the troll. Alright, that's cool. Now let's I don't know how much time I have. I can ask my wonderful lady, but Elle says if you're here and you have the time, let me know. I may be able to get through one level, but let me ask and find out. Epic test and block you from Donald's live. What were you saying to Donald? You're here lunch break? Yeah, Matt, my wife wanted to go to the mall today. We've been at home all week, and everyone loves the mall. So what I was going to ask is there yeah, 9 exits. Let me update my overlay first. So game title. Oh, dear Lord. How do I spell? Can you spell this? I'm terrible at spelling. All I said was you not supposed to touch the munchers like that. Oh, that's a bummer. Well, you won't. Well, Lindsay may ban you some days, but I'll make sure she'll unban you. Sometimes you just got to let her scratch that itch. If she doesn't scratch that itch, it's bad for all of us. So, you know, sometimes you just got to let it happen. But, you know. But I like that you can troll. What I like is that troll everyone else and then come here and tell us what you did. But don't troll me. You know what I mean? Let me be your trollless sanctuary where you can discuss all of the other trollings that happen. And if I can think of any fun ideas where you can troll others of friends of mine, I will definitely let you know. That sounds great. All right, so where do I go? Tutorial hub. I'll go in here. Elle says. Note blocks. This is all from the base ROM, right? So like. I don't want to die, but will this kill it? Give it to me. One ways. I can fall in here. Yeah. Don't want to go back there. On off blocks. That makes sense. These are also enterable pipes. Yep, we're in there. That's fun. Ghost shells. All this shit that no one knows. Falling fast, falling, rising. Fast falling sprite ones. Those are fun. You know the drill. All these are coins. What's it say? This says suck it. Some levels use ice physics, so be careful. This is my first shell hack. Hope you enjoy it. Your pal Elsa. He is my pal. And don't you forget it. Yoshi's house. Yoshi's house. Stupid Yoshi ate my jacket. Now I'm cold and I snot. Nice. All right, where do I go, Elsa? Can I go up? Right? Oh, I can go right. I don't know. What are these words? Can and take? I don't know. Can you take it? Can you take it? I don't know. All right. This is ice physics. I hate it. Throw the shell. I go in these pipes. So throw. That's what this means? Throw the shell? I gotta throw the shell up to hit the thing, right? Oh, I think you want me to do this. I see. Well, that's rude. No, I like it. I'm asking for information because I want to learn, like, why things are titled that way. You know what I mean? I find it very interesting. Like the one means, so you see, that's cool. This is why I ask those questions, because I want to learn. Get me up there. This is hard. What? That was weird. Did you know you could hit it from like that? Is that the intended? That's Sprite Killer. That doesn't feel right. That worked. I don't know what to do. Those vines that can go down and then left. I think this particular block, I guess different blocks do different things, right? So like if you use a block that goes left. All right, there we go. Man, the P-switch just keeps pushing me around. See, I don't like that. I wish it could work for either block, because like that's exactly where it feels comfortable to throw it. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to throw it when I'm up against the pipe, because then I'm too close to the pipe and it feels bad. If that makes sense. Like this. But then I hit my head on the death block, which is not in the right spot. You know what I mean? That's what you want me to do? Again, it's like it being in the corner is the hard part, in my opinion. I mean, it's fine. It's just those are things that make it feel... Yeah. But even with the shell jump, I'm still in the corner. You know what I mean? Like nobody puts baby in the corner. You know what I mean? Oh, that was cool. You know me though, I do everything extra, and then I can't make that with that. So this actually works better to me. I can get it way more often. Oh, that was PB. That was good. Need to rewatch the... Yeah, Sephiroth, I did find some cheese in the cheese factory. But I mean, you may want to leave it because, I mean, it's a cheese factory. Yeah, right? I mean, it makes sense. No, I didn't. I went back and played it. I went back and beat it multiple times. The snake block is hilarious. Wait till you see what I found. You don't have to hit the last two Kaizo blocks at all. Yeah, it's really kind of fun. Oh, GB. Yeah, it won't work on any gameplay screen. I just don't want all the stickers to be overlaid on top of my my gameplay, because if I make a what's it called? If I make a clip or anything. Oh, cool. I'll eat quickly and catch it. Oh yeah, no worries, Sephiroth. It was fun, man. I hopefully I can help. Hopefully I found some things. Just doing QA nice. Hey GB, you should see that I made a Python app as well last night. I used IA to help me with that, or AI to help me with that a lot. And it was let me show you it because I put it on GitHub, so let me send it to you. It's pretty sick. It's Python, which I've never really used Python, so I learned a bit. It basically is an executable exe that keeps a process list, and it does web scraping, which I didn't know. Derek, I didn't know that SMW Central had an API, so I will have to rewrite it to use the API because I think that's the better way to go. I didn't know that. I didn't know that they had that. Finding the API documentation on the site was not there. Okay, we did it the right way once, which is good. But I don't know what I was supposed. I think I did that wrong, but it was massive progress for sure. Like, see, I don't. So I'm not supposed to hold run there, so I don't pick up the shell. And then, so then I can jump off the vine with run and then pick it up. I think that's the key there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And it does renaming and reorganization from all of the different new difficulties. And it's really cool. Again, I was just playing around. You know what I mean? Because I didn't want to reorganize all of my stuff manually. So I just made something and then I thought I could share it and let people. All right, so let go run. I read that way, but that's a huge PB. Now we're starting to get in the groove, which is feeling good. I went too far. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I just like the way it organizes it. People may not like it, but it gets rid of like versions and all the crap names and uses the hack names and like makes it spaced and like camel case or whatever, like capitalizations there, and does some normalization. It's pretty cool. For like the first start of something that took like 3 hours, it's pretty great. Ah, man. My fingers do better. I like that though, how it hits the vines. I think it's pretty cool. So L says every level, since it's cold, right, has ice physics. Kind of cool. You're on shells so much that you kind of forget about the ice physics. What? Why? Why did I die? Did I get a bounce off the Koopa so high? Is that intended to be a re-grab P-switch up throw? Or did I just have like a frame rule where I just got so high off of that? Nice, their API is pretty easy to use, so hopefully switch it. Yeah, I will see. Again, it's doing web scraping now, which it does pagination and it's smart and it works. So like, I'll do it in a different branch bucket just to see, so I don't, tear up the one I have now, of course. But like, it's still cool either way. Again, it was kind of designed just for me to fix my terrible, because So it was frame ruled. I just got unlucky there. I would maybe move up the munchers one tile then, just to, if you're okay with it, you can do whatever you want. How did I even hit that? That was weird. I just wrote it for me to because I didn't want to reorganize all my hacks by difficulty manually. And it ended up being way cooler than I thought. So then and everyone else was like, oh shit, I need that. So I just think it might be helpful. You might want to test it because it may make it where if you're not getting the frame rule, it's like other broken, but you don't have to, but. You have plenty of time there. The P-switch music is just... See, it's going to get me every time. I need to be better about save states too, because this is so such a kind of expert master hack. Like here I can save state. Because I already tested like the first, you know, I just need to be, I don't want to need to play this so much to where I'm hurting myself. Oh. Not the best save state, but it's workable. And then I think in here I can save state. Let's see, what is it? There we go. I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Okay, now I'm getting it like every time, so I don't know what the deal is. Ah. I think I went too fast. Yeah, that's tough. SMW Jang. Yeah, I get it almost every time. I have to re-grab or I can't get it. And it makes it really tough. But it might be just a me thing, apparently. Because like if I hold jump, it's only when I up throw it. Ain't that funny? If I hold jump and up throw it, like I hit it. Let me just get through this. I know there's no music. I'll just breathe into the microphone slowly. You guys can get the what is it? ASR, ASM, whatever, ASRM. What is the word? Oh man, my shoulder's killing me, dude. How's that? This is impossible. Look, I just die every time. I don't. There we go. Okay, so I can't hold jump in between the Yeah, you could. You could just remove the munchers, to be honest, because like they don't do anything. Like, I mean, if you don't get the thing, you're gonna die anyway. That's something that I've done a lot in what's it called? Beautiful Not So Dangerous, is to be like better of like, do you really need munchers here? And I remove them because you're gonna die anyway, and people like hate munchers. That doesn't seem to line up either. I play so different than everyone. Yeah, if I re-grab like really big between that, I'm gonna do it here now. I don't want to do that anymore. Oh, am I not supposed to do that? That was a troll. You're supposed to go like this. Why did I fall? Whoa, that rope is broken. Do you know that? That rope is wrong. Yeah, why am I falling through a rope? Is that supposed to happen? Because in Mario ropes, I'm normally able to stand on them. But now you specify, did the tutorial say that like ropes are not able to be stood on? I don't, even if I read that, also I see a pipe I can go in. I can't. I just think it's like I played so much Mario that like you're not gonna get that out of me. I go through the Koopa too? I'm confused. All right, hold on. I see. Oh yeah, I have this. Okay, we're getting there. I'm guessing that's what you want. Oh my god. That's cool. That's real fun. This. That's fun. Okay, that's real cool. I'm gonna do it again. I like it. Looking for cheese though. I like it, dude. That's fun. I like the troll too with the midway. And there's plenty of room. Oh, and it's not even a troll. That's funny. It's not even a troll. It's like, haha, got you, sucker. Is this death? Yeah. All right, hold on. Go. Ropes are like slope assist for sprites. Got you. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can make them sprite only. Like, what would happen if you edited just those ropes to not have brown? Like they were just a black outline, so they were like you know how sprite only blocks are only outlines? What if it was only an outline of a rope? That may be better. I'm trying to yump. I want to yump. Come on. Yeah, still got it. Now I'm not gonna have enough time to do this. Oh, what the fuck? The guy was there. If Third Wall was here, he'd be shaking his head. He'd be proud. I'm just kidding. I could play a Third Wall level now. What? I'm so ready for Responsible World or what? Oh, see, like those. Santa. What's going on, Brett? How are you? Yeah, we only play Canada Day hacks on 4th of July. We're anti-America. I'm just kidding. But the dumbass decisions that America's making, like no one would think otherwise. Dude, I'm getting yumps all day, every day now. Let's go. All right. You want me to do this and wait and then... Oh, that was so close. Living the dream, prepping all the food for people coming over. Oh, you got people coming over. That's awesome. My wife was like, aren't we going to your mom's? That we usually do. Dude, I'm getting yumps. 3 yumps in a row, man. Wow. Let's fire up 10 yumps and just knock it out. It'll be no big deal. You couldn't have spoken. It's true. I'm ashamed. I mean, it's okay. You know, I love my country, but I can be ashamed of it. I wish we were better than we were. We're kind of falling off the wagon. We're like that uncle that like now drinks way too much. All right, I'm gonna save state here, El says, because that was really fun. I don't know what to do. What says you want the P switched up and to the right, into the pipe? What? This is so confusing. So that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then... How am I supposed to have a P-switch? Yeah, it's been crazy. I work for Medicaid in my state, waiting to see how my job... Yeah, it's just... We just don't give a shit about people anymore. Like, that's why? People should be the #1 thing we give a shit about. Oh, am I supposed to up throw it? Oh, there's a ceiling there I couldn't see. Okay, that's what we do. And up throw it there again. Okay. I like it. I'm just dumb, you know? Can't read. I'm like that dude from Zoolander. What? Did you see that shit? Oh my god. Did you see that troll? I trolled myself. That's really stupid. Oh, I gotta clip that. That's too good. I wish save stating didn't make the music go all wonky, but now I'm like something about it. But yeah, Jess, I don't know, man. Why can't we just give a shit about people? All else says, did you see that recovery there? Oh, what? What happened? Why'd I die? That was a run. Oh, that's so sick. That troll's stupid. Not even a troll. Just mean. Yeah, I know I have a lot of opinions, but yeah, you come over to the Twitch side and just let them go. I want that Koopa to be like one tile to the left more. Not that you have to change it. I need to be better, but like. Oh, I can't do that. Well, okay, yeah, you're right. We don't see everyone as human anymore. I agree. That's what I'm frustrated by. Like, I don't like, and it's not even us. Like the humans and the the citizens of the country do. It's like the people that are in leadership don't. Like we're just cattle. They treat people like a number and a dollar sign rather than human. The human thing is gone, which. That's pretty good, dude. I liked it. I think with shells, it's kind of hard to find cheese. I feel like I didn't find shit, but everyone's tested this, right? But me. I did it like the early, but. Oh, yeah. Humanity is lost. Yeah, that's the problem. It's them. It's not like the citizens. We love each other and are great. You know what I mean? All right, Elle says, I'll try this. My wife never responded to me. Okay. He did. You did a line. Okay. I'll finish stream soon. Wanna get lunch there? Let me just check all of my stuffs. I like this music though, by the way. It's very peaceful. You're mean, yeah. GG. Okay. Elle says, what is the name of this level? Give me the story. What is Illiqui? Is that how you say it? I'll be around this. So yeah. Oh, this is this one. This level is sick. I hate that though. Means cave. I mean, that makes sense. I remember this crazy shit. This level's very pretty. How did I recover? Where? Oh, really? I want to see. How do you do this? That's so hard. Dude, that is insane. See, you can't do it very easily. Oh my gosh. Cave, stupid. Why did you kick it? You gotta like re-grab right off of the spring. That's not so bad. Okay. That was better. It's so hard. Why do I keep dying to dumb stuff? I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna try it. How I made all that work, I don't understand. Can you? I guess you can't. Oh god, this is like the worst save state ever, but maybe I can save state if I. Oh. Dude, what is happening? So mean to myself. Yeah. Dude, this is so hard. Dude, come on. I can get it. You gotta jump. Dude, this is insane. You can get a high enough jump up there to die. Ain't that crazy? I thought those death blocks were sprite only death blocks, but I guess not. Their sprites go through them, but they kill me. Oh, that was good. I got a regrab there. I have to throw it first. Not like that. Closer, better, closer, warmer. That was weird. I've got to regrab again. Up, I can't do that. Dear Lord. I'm gonna die? I don't want to save state this because maybe I can go like, I couldn't move. Oh, did I lose my stream? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm good. It was just my browser hiccuped. All right, you guys let me know if everything's good. Come on, dude. This is very hard, but I think it's mostly my save state. Why am I not getting jumps when I'm hitting the button? Come on, friend. Come on, friend. Dude, what are you supposed to do? Dude, I'm not even like, I'm like neutraling and it makes me like go wild all over the place. See, like I didn't even hold left. Why did that show up so fast? I wasn't even on the thing. Why is the bullet necessary? Just to keep you moving? Like you just want people to like hold right through this level? Is there a P switch timer going off now that you gotta like keep me there? I don't remember. I've been stuck trying to make this work. I'm gonna have to do that. Do I need that bullet? Dude, why am I bouncing so high? I don't want to kill the bullet because I may need it. I don't know. What? Excuse me? There we go. This is what I wanted. That took us so long. Feels so nice to be able to like actually just go now. I was in that like save state hell for a second. That feels close. I need to just not do a turn back there. You kind of have to. Oh, okay. I like this. This is fun. See, this is like, I like this because it has like open space. Like all the claustrophobic stuff. Not a huge fan of that. But I mean, it's your hack. Do your thing. It's just me. But like this stuff, like the real like wide open kind of flowy stuff is sick. I really, really like that. Like that's when it like opens up for me and I start to have like really good time. I don't know what to do here. I need to just die and let it load. I don't know why. I'm just took a save state so that I could I keep using it. I don't know what to do there. I did it before, but I forget. Am I supposed to like just do this? Something like that? It's like a jump high and then maybe I stay on it. I feel like you can get it one cycle though. Feels like you can. I just can't jump. That's right, but I'm not jumping. Jump too late. A regrab killed me there. I don't really know what to do. I'm guessing maybe that I'm doing it too hard and you're supposed to just go like this. And then grab it and go. Yeah, that's probably way better. I don't know how to make that more red though. Easily red. How did I miss the throw block? That's kind of silly. I need to be on the right side. How do you go in there? I have to hold jump. No, that doesn't work either. I'm not quite sure what the setup is. Huh. Is this wrong? Am I doing this wrong? Okay. I'm gonna save state because I don't do that again. Okay, good. Oh, what? I didn't know that fell off. There was no way to know. Purple, oh, it's already affected. Yeah, right. It's like, again, it just sucks that like the human aspect and the compassion and the empathy is all gone. Yeah, that's hard. I don't know why. I can't do it. Okay, so I can just go try to finish this level and then call it. I want to get, you know, I've been meaning to do this for a while. Dude, that is really hard. There, you want what? Why did I die? You want to land to the far right of it. I think that definitely helps. I don't like that though. I don't like that he falls away. I don't know also why I'm throwing the key up instead of just holding on to it, but oh, I guess because you have to. So that makes it even more uncomfortable. All right, so I have to. Oh, dear Lord. And that's a fast platform too? All of that going on is crazy. Okay. Fingers, get ready. We're going to have to do 16 inputs. What happened? Zooming, man. Let's see. They were adopted from foster care. Their insurance is supposed to be 100% covered, but now they refuse to pay for the therapy they need desperately to work through all this trauma that they went through prior. Yeah, and I heard they were saying like all sorts of this other stuff, like 3 million people have been taken off of food stamps. Like what? So like now people aren't going to be able to eat? Like what is going on? What is going on? So like, oh yeah, they're like, yeah, all these people, they don't have enough money for food, and we don't want to help them anymore. So like, they can go fuck themselves. Such a crazy thing. So they should just, you know, they should change their diet to senators. And then problem solved. Dude, doing this level would take me 6 hours if I didn't use save states. It would take me unbelievably long time. Yeah, that is so hard. You have to up throw, jump with like crazy. I don't know how to do it. Like it's so tough. Sorry, no, I don't. I mean, it's the difficulty you want, right? You want somebody to gruel through this. You want it to take them months. You know what I mean? That is the difficulty you want to do. I mean, that's just, you know. Yeah, but that's not going to do anything, right? You have to up throw it, right? You have to throw the keys into the thing, right? There. What? Why didn't I grab the key? Okay. Dude, you can't hold jump. Dude, how? What do I got to do there? Getting lucky there. I'm going to lose the shell. You have to re-grab. Jump to it. Like everything is just so tiny. Oh man, dude. What am I'm just jumping through this thing. Why am I dying? It's just a jump. You have to like, what happened there? Did that break? Both platforms went. That was odd. Gonna go further. All right. What? I thought I landed on him. Guess I did not. Missed it by just a hair. There we go. What? Why did that go down so much faster than the other ones? Yeah. Yo, yeah. I think it's just Canada Day, right? I know. I'm just kidding. Dude, this hack is hard as shit, Sauce. I can't even jump, man. It's like you just get punished on everything. I think that's the thing that I'm not, you know, every jump is like as just punishing as it can be. There you go. You wish you had time? Yeah. Yeah, I just, that's the, well, we can get these guys, which doesn't really do anything. It would give me a mushroom. But like, I'm pretty sure you have that protected, right? Let me try it again. I think that's just how I'm evolving as like what I like and what I don't like as a Kaizo player, which is nothing against you at all. I mean, make the hack you want to make, for sure. There's nothing. It's just I'm thinking like the design philosophy of like perchance and like hacks like it, where every single jump is as small and as like skinny and difficult as possible, is like, I don't think that's like for me. Like that is so low. Like, you know what I mean? Like I just, and it's okay. I mean, that's what you want to make. That's totally fine. But I think that's where like I lose enjoyment of stuff, and this just may not be for me because of that. Like every jump is like regrab just barely. If you over regrab or under regrab, you die. See, like I don't find that fun anymore, which is totally fine. No, I mean, make the hack you want to make. I'm just saying, like, if you hear me griping a little bit, that's going to be why. It's because I think I'm learning as a player that I'm not a big fan of that. Other people love it though. You know, there's definitely a market for it. People love it and people play it. Just make what you want. Don't listen to those things when I say it, because that it's just me. You should make the hack you want to make. You know what I mean? Definitely. But that is like the design philosophy that I'm learning over time that I'm not a big fan of, that I didn't know. You know what I mean? That spawned weird because I went to the right a little bit more. But like, that's all. I'm just trying to explain it. I don't mind the hack. This is fun. It's really fun. But, you know, when something, like, me personally, yeah, I don't have to say anything else. You get it. It's not about you at all. It's about me. I just want to explain it so you don't take offense to it. Hope you don't. I don't mean anything negative about the hack. But I do want to see if I can get a mushroom now. I just want one of them. I want to see if the mushroom carries over to the overworld, which I don't think it does because of the you use the base ROM that protects that. Okay. But yeah, no, you get it. Like the precision, like super tight stuff, of course, is not going to be my favorite. But well, I mean, it depends. When it's not shells, I like it. So I don't understand a damn thing about my brain, man. To be honest with you, I have no idea. What? Okay, I gotta try this now. Hold on. First try? Are you kidding me? What? Was I supposed to kill our friend? Yeah, just put it on top. That's perfectly fine. How did I do that first try? That's some crazy shit, huh? How did I do that first try? Oh, that's hard. How do you make it over that? Like, I can't get enough height. Oh, I guess, is that, maybe you want me to go. I don't know. Holy shit, this is hard as fuck. Yeah, you jump higher than it, right? I mean, I'm trying to drop it. I'm not trying to kick it. How did I drop it forward while looking backwards? That's so weird. You know what's easier? Midair, probably. Doing it early. That was pretty good. The snake block? Yeah. Yeah. It makes it a little fun. But do you see what I mean? Sapphiros, like, you had, like, I don't know how to do it. Check this out. You had a block here, and then a block, like, to the... If you make it a block, at the very beginning have a block, and then the block above it, you're always guaranteed to land on the second block, which will always make you activate the snake block. Dude, that is incredibly hard. Like, that's what I thought you wanted. Like, to see it there, I'm able to get a much higher bounce there, but, like, I can't get over that. Like, so I don't know. I don't have enough height. Does it say nerd? That's amazing. This looks way too hard for you. You can't. That's what I'm saying. It's hard as shit. It's very hard. And I think I've been doing that wrong. I just had an idea of, like, maybe I need to use the Rex. Like, maybe you want me to go. But where is he? Where did he go? I did all of that good stuff. Oh. Yeah. Still dark. Dude, it's all one tile too, like this one. Can't do it, dude. It's taking like 30 tries. That was good. I messed that up big time. Oh, that was it. Why am I not getting the jump off that? It's so close. There. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Like, oh, hold on. Do you want me to do a shell jump bump and then us pick the shell back up? I have to remember what those ropes mean. All right, so maybe I'm supposed to go like this. And then do that, but the shell's in like the worst spot. Am I supposed to do it this way? Where's my Rex? How do you drop it? It's still, oh, it's awful. I mean, it's not awful. It's hard. It's not this hack. It's just this trick in general. You have to hit down to drop it. It's a fun trick, but it's hard. I'm out of practice with it. I don't know why the Rex keeps dying though. And then, like, it doesn't line up. I don't understand. The rope isn't a one-way. The rope is what... See, that's the confusion part, is that Elle says use the ropes as a one of... Basically a sprite-only block. That's not allowed? That's what I told him. I told him at least make it just outline only. That's what we need to do. Where'd it go? But I don't like that the shell kills them, man. That's the worst part. You got to make that not happen for sure. I don't know how to help there. But the problem is, like, I keep, like, you have to do all this and this backdrop, and you're just like, it's hard. And you finally get there and you do a shell jump and you kill your ride. Like, if I get here and then I do this, like, it kills them. You know what I mean? That's my ride. Where do you go with that? Like, you don't need to just do sprite. I think that's, yeah. Then you get in this thing like this where there's just blocks everywhere. I don't know. I wonder if there's a way to make it like where the shells don't interact with the wrecks. That's probably even more complicated, to be honest with you. You could do a sprite killer, but then the shell is going to, like, you know what I mean? Like, grabbing the shell will pop. It's tough. It's a tricky thing. If I do a bigger shell jump, actually, it works. So what do I do there? I don't know. I'm confused by this. I'm getting the back shot more, but yeah, you have the shell in reverse order. They don't. That's the way to do it. Just use a gray shell there, the ghost shell. You have that, I think. I would just replace that shell with a ghost shell, and then you'll be fine. I think they don't interact with any sprites. They may though, but I would try that. That would be a good solution, really good one to try. Well, I don't know why I did a shell jump there. I like this trick a lot. It's just hard, and I get burned out because it's in every new shell hack has like this in there, like 100 times. But yeah, this is not bad. It's just hard. Can't jump. My controller probably doesn't help, to be honest with you. I gotta get going, guys. I gotta go to the mall with my family. This is the first level though that I'm just stuck. You know what I mean? Like, it really depends. I wish I had a better save state. Like, I could like get one. I'll try. Hold on. This is not gonna work. But like, I wish I had a there. Maybe that worked. No, did I ruin it? Dude, what? Like, I'm just zooming. Like, zooming to the right. It all depends on how. It all depends on. Oh shit! It all depends on what's it called? How high your shell jump is. So if your shell jump is really high, I think you'll be okay. But if the shell jump's kind of low. Say, if you do it high, it's not a big deal. But if you do a little low one, you kill him. So it really just depends on the height of the shell jump. That's the math behind it, like why that's happening. If I go really high, it's not as big of a deal. I don't have, and you can do this on both sides. See, and it just depends on like what you lucked out getting. A full one, you're good. You're kind of in the. I have no idea how I got that first. Is that what is expected there too? That you're supposed to get the outline shell before the gray shell? I don't know if that's possible easily because it's below it. Oh, that's a tough situation. Okay, because you want me to throw it. I killed the Rex again. That's better to go right. I don't know what that means. Like I have to do the bump first and then up throw it, right? Keep forgetting what to do there. Like that. What? There's nothing to do. Where do you go? That was good though. We made progress. I gotta get going anyway, but all right, that made progress. I don't like it over there on the right. I need to hit it to the right so it's on the left. That's definitely better. Like that. Why not just bump and go over to the right? Well, I need a shell jump, right? I need to do a shell jump. You mean bump and go to the right like this? You kind of can't make it. Right? Like maybe I could get a frame roll where I can get higher than it, but that was close, but it's like super tough. Oh, I may be able to even just do that. Hold on. What if I can just go? No, see. I'm trying. I can't. You can't really make it. It's like trying to like hit the shell high, you know, as like as high as you can. It's hard though. Everything's kind of like maxed out. Again, you don't want to hit it to the left wall. You want to hit it to the right wall. You can get it better there. Like I don't know the pattern there of the Rexes. Like you don't tell me that. Not that you don't have to, but to go all that way and then lose because I don't know the organization of it. That is hard. It's fine. Everything's hard. The hack is tough. That's easy. That's not a big deal. That is like I don't know how to make that work. I feel like I'm getting all of that better for sure. See, sometimes I just grab it right away, which is kind of weird. Uh-oh. That's not going to help. That doesn't help either. My fingers hurt. See, I'm trying. I don't know how to get that shell quicker. I keep doing that on the wrong side. I don't know. Just watching me struggle is probably enough. I don't have to probably say anything. Maybe you'll find something that you dislike or like or whatever. It's not a big deal. Again, now I'm just one person, right? No one needs to make me happy. You make what you like. If you don't like it, then change it. If you do like it, then keep it. You know, that's kind of the thing. I haven't seen anything too broken yet, though. I don't know what do you want me to do here, though? Like, maybe that, actually. All right, we're doing stuff. Oh my God, how long is this section? Holy cow, dude, that's a setup. We did it though. We can get to H now. We know that this is. I don't know how you can explain that to people. I also like the faces. They're fun. I thought that was a different setup. Pretty cool. The faces on that is really great. Huh. How do you make that? I got it, but I guess you got to get it full. It's got to be perfect. Not perfect, but you know what I mean? Like it has to be max height. That felt bad. You got to do full jumps here all the way and then not there. That's pretty cool. I like that setup. Dude, that's ridiculous to go into a dang disco. Crazy. Crazy shit. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Full. What if I just hold full jumps here? I gotta kind of go to the right when I do this. That didn't line up for shit. Huh? What's happening? Oh, it worked. That's confusing. Maybe that's helpful to see. I don't know why that was doing that, but oh, that's tough, but that's cool. All right, I'm gonna take it because I need it. I deserve it. I want it. I need it. I deserve it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What do I do there? I guess it was just not set up. Oh, am I supposed to do 2 jumps like this? That's kind of cool. Is that 2? I like this little fun doop-de-doop. I can't make that. What? That doesn't work. I don't know. You can't make that. Oh, that was closer. Ugh. Another backdrop? I don't know. It doesn't have the same icons. You know? The first one had like a down arrow and like a left arrow, but this doesn't. I don't know. I get, maybe it is hard. It's right after the H though. Man, I keep like I wish I guess you can't make the sprite only blocks higher. Also, I don't have any music. No. I just keep using save states and forget about it. Sorry, Z-Man. We had the same thought at the same time though. That was pretty sick. I was like, wait a second. It's like everyone's just hearing me breathe. That's tough. Regrab there. If you regrab there, you die. No, I appreciate it. It's funny though, because you typed it right when I said it, and then I read it, and I was like, they know what's up. Very Grandmaster? I don't know if this is going to be Grandmaster. It'd probably be Master if you ask me. Probably. It's hard to get Grandmaster. So yeah, I know, right? Just, I mean, I don't know. It takes a long time to. I got it lower. It is though. Expecting a backdrop that's up high, I think is much more difficult than down low because you have so much time to like fix it in the air. So like if you're doing a fall to like get a back shot or a backdrop, like it's so much easier and probably would be like a lower difficulty. But like up high is very difficult because you have to get it up high. Like so you have less of like you can't fix your fast fall speeds at all. You have to just get it. Like I can't do this. Like it's cool. It's just very difficult. Yeah, I keep, especially off this setup where it's like a regrab and then a double shell almost. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, we're playtesting a very difficult shell hack that Elsa's has been working on. It's pretty cool. Got a lot of neat stuff in it. It's just very hard. So we're taking it, you know, slowly and. Creative for sure. That's what I wanted. I see. That's what I mean. Like, it's so hard to hit it because you only get one shot so high, which is fine. It just makes it tough. Cool. Trying to explain it. I missed it. But yeah, Elle says sorry, but I can't read that. Right, as though you changed the ranking. Yeah, they did. They did.
Illy JJ McCarthy says morning afternoon ratio and chat.
Hey, good morning. Oh, that was it. I couldn't do it once. I gotta go. I keep saying that. I've been saying I need to go forever. My wife's gonna be like, dude, come on. I can't help it. He said whenever, but I need to be nice. We need to go eat lunch. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. We
Welcome to the town of my
we did a lot of stuff this morning, which was fun.
The town of my
We got to play test randomly Pizza Party 3 by Saffros, which was a lot of fun, but it's like a close to beginner hack. So like that one was. This one is definitely. Oh, get it. What do? I didn't understand any of that. But we did it. Okay, I'm going to stop there, LSS. I think we're good. I will save state here. I want to continue playtesting soon. Also, I will update exits to 3. I think it's 2.5. So I'll do 2.5. I don't know if that works. Oh, it's exit. I don't know. I need to... it should work with both. Oh my God, I can't type for shit. There we go. Yeah, I gotta go. They're gonna want to do so. This is fun. Don't take any of my comments negative. I'm just trying to explain. Also, my personal preference on things is just to explain that if I get grumpy, you know why. It's not anything you did. It's just not my cup of tea. And it's not even like that's not even classified as like an entire thing. It's like that particular setup or trick may not be my cup of tea. No, I know. I just want to explain it because I'm having a lot of fun. And you know, I want you to know that it's just hard as shit, which is fine. All right, everyone, here, let's go to just chatting. You can spam those emotes. Let's spam some emotes. Do these work too if I do this? Yeah, they do. Nice. So I can do like Fox. And they'll just all show up. Promise you'll like the ending? Yeah. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, I don't have a shell one, do I? I need to make that. Here, I'll do it. I'll do this for you, though, Saucy. And then we'll just do a million. Watch this. Sorry, this is going to break everything. Help! Help me! Help me, Lord! Help me! Jeebus! Jeebus! Help me, Jeebus! Jeebus, help me! Everyone on every other platform is like, what is happening? They don't understand it. Sorry. I need to add it to TikTok as well. It would be fun. But anyway, dude, you guys have been the best. Thank you guys for everything. Elle says, great job, though. This has been really fun. I really like the first level with the pipes and the up throws of the P switches. I think that's fun. Oh my God, how many did Oh, look, new thing.
Oh, Lord, she gone again.
I was waiting when a new alert was going to happen. Yo, thank you so much for the heart me. Yeah, but Steph, I'm about to get out of here. I'm sorry. Thank you for the heart me, though. You made it where I could see a new alert, though, which I didn't get to see that. So that's super exciting. I know. I'm sorry. I got to go hang out with the fam. Hopefully everyone that celebrates the 4th of July enjoys themselves. Elle says, I'll continue. I know I've been saying I was going to do it forever. It's just the hack is so hard. It takes so long to playtest, right? I think that's also tough too. That's what I found out going from beautiful dangerous to beautiful not so dangerous is it's such a much shorter hack and so much easier that it's so much easier to playtest it. When you get a hack that's like balls to the wall tough, it's like it's a grueling playtest because you have to like beat each level multiple times and try to find multiple things wrong with it, and really, so it's just a much longer thing. But it's it is fun. But all right, yeah, I gotta go. Everyone's waiting on me. But you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Let's find someone to raid actually on the Twitch side. We'll have to do that. Let me mute myself so you don't hear me. Who is out there doing something? Is DRK about to end stream? No, probably not. Let's raid DRK. We never get to, so we will. He raids us. So we'll do that, and we'll do the lunar magic. Just do 1,000,000 lunar magic moons. DRK is the best. We never get to raid anyone, so or never get to raid him. So use those emotes a lot, please, and go tell him that he's pretty. And I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye bye.